Okay, here we have this device that we're going to be able to recover in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we're not going to use a PC. We're going to use a method completely without a PC. And how are we going to do it? Well, watching the video tutorial step by step until the end, we'll be able to solve this problem. As we can see, our device has a screen lock, that we've forgotten. How are we going to be able to recover our device? Well, watching the video tutorial step by step until the end. Do it exactly, Let's turn off our phone. Let's turn it off. But we see that in some cases it already lets us turn off the phone. As you know before, we entered through the power button, the volume down button. We released them when the volume down button restarted, and held the volume up button so we could enter recovery mode. The second thing was that we previously entered through the PC. We used a computer, we connected the USB cable. Then we connected our phone, we did the same frequency. But this is no longer through the PC. It still works, but since this method is completely without a PC, then what we are going to do is use what is a USB-C cable that has the same input. That has the same input, but this time we are going to use what is another phone. We are going to use another phone and we are going to introduce what is the USB-C cable. Now we are going to connect here, but you have to show us that it shows us charge. Let's see. As you can see, it showed here on this side, then it works for us. Let's turn to see the cable. We turn it over and now it does give us the charging option. That's what we wanted, to show us the charge. Here you can see that our phone is charging, and now what we are going to do. We are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time. Then we touch the screen to see when the device restarts. We release the volume down button while holding the volume up button. Now when it shows us Galaxy here, we release the power button while holding the volume up button, so we will be able to enter what is this mode. We give it where it says UIP data factory reset with power. We go down and we give it where it says reset factory settings, and here it would be resetting. Now we give it where it says reboot system no. This is so that our phone can restart. When our phone is restarting, what we are going to do is wait until our device reaches startup. When it reaches startup, what we are going to do is be able to configure it. We are going to pause what is this video tutorial, since it usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to get to the start. Well, here our phone has restarted. What we are going to do is to be able to configure it. But let's say that you are left with this little lock that appears here on the left side. This little lock appears.